This is gang mentality, exactly what this is all about, what that badge is all about. Carrick got it away for 20 years because of that perceived power of that badge. And you horrible little Herbert.
You're cuckoo, so let's take a chance of doing your dance. For I'm cuckoo and you're cuckoo, sing la 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 la. All the folks have all gone wild, oh what a howdy do. It is because two funny chaps thought of more something new. Side by side you start to glide, forget all your troubles, let everything slide. For I'm cuckoo and you're cuckoo, sing la 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 la.